Just sitting outside enjoying the back field. So we got a buck last night. So now we can sit out here and enjoy watching them and not have to think about shooting one because we got one. So that was really exciting. Well, Jeremy got it, but Sam and I were watching him and we helped him when he gutted it, and then we all took it into the taxidermy and we're gonna get his antlers and his head taxidermied. So that's gonna be really exciting. And we're gonna cut up all the meat here tomorrow. We have it hanging in the basement and then we're gonna cut it all up. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll show you what we got.
All right, so what we got, some backstrap. Tried a new recipe, actually from Duck Commander. So, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think I used, this is actually, it's not even their recipe. I kind of just added my own little thing. But it was 2 eggs, buttermilk, but I just put butter and coffee cream. Mix that, pepper, salt, mix all that together, then put it in flour, cooked it in a cast pan in vegetable oil. 2 minutes aside. None of this is from Duck Commander. Actually, most of it isn't. It's just me taking their recipe and kind of following it slightly, but it's pretty good. And now I'm dipping it in marinara sauce. So I just wanted to try something different with the backstrap. Though it's a pretty big buck, so this is like the tiniest portion of the backstrap, so it's irrelevant. I have another marinade right now with half of a backstrap, so it gets a quarter of it in the fridge. We're gonna try that tomorrow, but I also have a ton of this one left that I already made, so I'm the only one eating tonight. I did it pretty late, so, but it's good. I like it.
9 o'clock at night. You're not the only one eating. Look at, she's eating.
You tried it, right?
And I tried it, it's yummy. But she's been eating, haven't you, Mittens? Mittens, are you eating the deer?
She likes it raw.
Yes.
I've given her some raw deer meat. She loves it.
Are you bumming? What are you doing?
I don't think you like it now, bub. I already cooked it. Yeah, I mean,
Hello, we know you're here.
Can't really get mad at her when I'm feeding her raw pieces.
Yeah.
It's okay, bub. We like you, even if other people don't like you.
Anyway, pretty yummy. I'll show you the marinade tomorrow. We kind of forgot. He kind of got doing it.
It was fun. It was a fun night.
Yeah.
Really excited. I've been riding high for a couple of days. Well,
yeah.
24 hours.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's cool to think that we were looking at him yesterday. We were just looking at him yesterday, and now he's on your plate.
Yeah,
That's
we were
awesome.
watching that guy probably for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
That one. Mm-hmm. I mean, we may have been watching him all summer, but he stood out.
Yeah.
Recently, once the antlers like shed the velvet and everything, and he's good.
He's good.
Before the rut, got him before the rut, so even though he's big, he's good. We've been eating dough the last few years, so this is just good. This is really good.
Yeah. That's not your piece. Hello.
That's the gentleman down there.
He's begging, but he's not bold about it like her.
Yeah.
He's a good boy, aren't you, Mike? Did he get any raw meat?
No,
No, poor guy.
I would have, but you weren't there.
Oh, Daddy treats you with disrespect. Mikey, Mike.
No, what'd I say? Marinara? Yeah, marinara.
Yeah. All right, I'll let you eat.
All right, so actually I'm going to show you, well, basically just me cooking it. It's already together, tray here. So this is it. I know it looks kind of like it's basically in cream or something. It is, actually. It's in cream. And the butter, salt, pepper. I swear there's something else, I just can't remember. And, well, this is vegetable. I already cooked in it, that's why it looks nasty. Just random, no-name vegetable oil. And then I put this here, who actually a viewer sent us that.
Yep.
Hey, you viewers, it's been a while since we got anything. Cool. Not that I'm looking for stuff, it's just fun when it's random.
Yeah.
Right? We're not looking for gimmies, not looking for like donations, any of that kind of crap. Which, you know, appreciate anybody who's ever done anything. But this is just a seasoning that showed up in the mail one day. And
really
it's from Florida. And it's good. So anyways, I throw that on at the end. When it's still wet, right at the end, just sprinkle it on, and I might put a little bit more on this time. I actually really like this stuff.
I love it too. So
that's like at the end. You know, there's probably something I'm forgetting, but man, the stuff's good. It's kind of like I'm doing a fish fry, but with backstrap. So that's all backstrap off that buck. The backstrap. We get the tenderloins. We'll do those. Probably I'll cook a tenderloin with breakfast tomorrow or something.
Yeah.
But I have. Yeah, we have a couple. They're pretty nice, good-sized tenderloins, too, because he was a nice-sized buck, so that's going to be good. But I'm waiting on that to warm up. These are cut like paper thin, too.
So you're just dipping it in flour?
Yep. I'm really focused on eating it. And then once I'm done that, I'll throw that seasoning on it.
Oh, once it's done cooking.
Yeah, when it's still wet. Like as soon as I take it out and set it on like the paper towel and the thing.
Oh, right.
This piece is actually a little thicker, but whatever. Make sure that one cooks a little longer. It's pretty much the exact same thing as doing fish though. It's like anytime you're deep frying it anyway. Try to scoop the thin ones first. Because there's a couple bigger ones in here. Come on, guy. That was a bigger one. I feel like I made a little more the second time around.
Yeah, looks like it. It's yummy.
There's a bigger strip here. It was a lot longer when it was done. This is the thickest one, I remember it. So now, try not to melt the vegetable over there. Save this for tomorrow. And then that's that seasoning. Everglades. I did that, I'm gonna go again. I think it just went once last time. There.
Yummy.
That's good. It's really good. I'm glad I did the second swipe over with the seasoning.
That's a lot of marinade.
Marinara.
Marinara, yeah.
I went to pour it in there. That's just random. That's just what I like marinara. You could have it with like anything.
Yeah.
It's good without anything.
It is, yeah.
She likes it. I think, yep. They ate it.
All right, so today we are processing that deer. It's pretty fun. So right now we're cutting up the backstrap and then we're vacuum sealing them. So we're just vacuum sealing it and writing on it so we can throw it in the freezer and it'll last for quite a long time, which is awesome.
to meat, eh?
Yeah, getting there slowly. Got some roast and then ground meat. Then obviously steaks and stuff, but that's about it.
We're gonna get trying this thing out. We gotta print this out of here soon.
So Jeremy also made these. It's little bits of the backstrap.
Yeah.
Backstrap, and then it's wrapped in bacon with cream cheese and a hot pepper.
Yeah.
Boy, they're good.
They are pretty good. Deadly.
I mean, you can't really go wrong with cream cheese and bacon
Right.
on anything.
Not a little big. They're various sizes.
Yeah.
They're good, eh?
Real good.